guys, so this Revive conditioner, no one's tried this before, but I'm gonna try it on the wheel, black wheel, matte wheel. See, it's looking dull. Let's go ahead and spray the crap out of this wheel, and let's just wipe it off. So this here is a cheaper version of another product called Clutch, made by Shine Supply. But this here does the exact same thing and is a fraction of the price. Dirty wheel. We're using Revive by Melgars, and I believe I just broke the code. No one dares to do this. All these other detailers don't want to do this. They want to stick to certain products, but keep in mind, you don't have to carry 103 products. All you need is a few good products and learn how to use them. So this thing looks good. Let's give it one more spray and just give it one final wipe down. And the results, like I said, are amazing, sleek. So with that said, Revive gets a 10 out of 10. Now for the best results,